Good morning, students. Today we will learn about adjectives. It is lesson 12 of English grammar. Students, what are adjectives? Adjectives describe nouns, or we can say that describing words are called adjectives. Children, adjectives tell us many things about a noun. We will read one by one and try to understand adjectives. Example number 1 is it is a beautiful dress. Here, the word beautiful tells us about the kind of dress. Second is Jyoti is an intelligent girl. Here, the word intelligent tells us about the kind of girl Jyoti is. Third is I have two dresses. Children, the word two tells us about the number of the dresses. Next is the big table has 6 legs. Here, the word 6 tells us about the number of legs that the big table has. Next is I want the red dress. Red tells us about the color of the dress. Last is Veena has a blue pen. Children, here the word blue tells us about the color of the pen. So children, adjectives are describing words. They tell us many things about a noun. Means color, kind, number and many more. Children, adjectives can be placed before nouns or after nouns to describe them. Here example, this is a heavy door. Here the word heavy is an adjective and door is noun. Second is the door is heavy. Now here the adjective is after the nouns. So children, describing words are called adjectives and they add meaning to the nouns. Children, it's time for an exercise. Here, in a exercise, you have to underline the adjectives in the following sentences. First is, the class was very noisy. Here, the word noisy is an adjective. So, we will underline the word adjective. Noisy. It is a warm afternoon. Here, the word warm is adjective. The garden is beautiful. Now, what kind of the garden is? It's beautiful. So, we will underline the word beautiful. Next, the elephant is a huge animal. Here, the word huge is an adjective. And last, I have 2 rabbits. Here, how many rabbits I have? 2. So, the word 2 is an adjective. We will underline the word 2. Children, there are some more exercises we will see in our next slide. Students, after completing A exercise, now we will do B exercise. Here, put a noun after each of these adjectives. Means adjective words are given here and we have to write a noun. Like a cute baby, an innocent boy, a tidy dress, a brave soldier, a sunny day, an interesting movie, story, anything you can write. A neat classroom, room, a good story, an old man, woman, anything you can write. A broken cup. A large animal you can write here. Elephant you can write here. Any word you can write here. A blue pen you can write. Sky you can write. Now, like B, you have to write suitable adjectives that go with these nouns. Children, in C exercise, this time nouns are given and you have to add suitable adjectives. Like boy is written here. You can write an intelligent boy, a brave boy, a handsome boy, anything you can write. Dash. Second is elephant. You can write a huge elephant, anything. Next is girl, a cute girl. Okay? Then dog, a black dog, a fat dog, a thin dog, anything you can write. So children, likewise you have to fill this exercise. Now, in the exercise, underline the adjectives and circle the nouns they describe. Here what you supposed to do? You have to underline the adjectives but circle the nouns also that they describe. First is I want 2 apples. Here the word 2 is an adjective. So we will underline the word 2. And apples are noun. So we will circle the word apples. Second is the child is happy. Here the word happy is an adjective. So we will underline the word happy. And who is happy? The child. So we will circle the word child. Here in next, the elephant is a huge animal. Here huge is we are using for an animal. So we will underline the word huge and animal circle. So children, likewise you have to do this exercise. We will do one more exercise in our next slide. Students, on this page there are 2 exercises. Firstly, we will do E exercise. Here, write in the space provided adjectives from the box which is similar in meaning to the one underlined in each sentence. Means in all the sentences there are adjectives and they all are underlined. But in the given space you have to write their similar words. First is Fatima looks beautiful. Now you have to look in the bracket which word we can use as similar word of beautiful. Yes, pretty. So we will write here pretty. Second is we should not be cruel towards animals. Now what we can use at the place of cruel? Unkind. Very good. In third, my aunt shouts when she is annoyed. Yes. Look in the bracket. Irritated. Very good. Fourth is Maya is a quiet child. Here quiet, timid. Next is I was absent because I was unwell. Yes, sick. Next, the elephant is a huge animal. Very good. We can use big word here. Seventh is the soldiers were very courageous. Yes, brave. The soldiers were very brave. Eighth is the food was very tasty. Yes. What is the other word we use for the word tasty? Delicious. Yes. So children, like this you have to complete E exercise. Students, F exercise you have to do on your own. What you supposed to do here? Find words from the word grid which mean the opposite of the given adjectives. Means here 8 adjectives are given at the side of the grid. You have to look them and then search their opposites. Like first is long, so its opposite is short. As we can see S in red color, SHORT, short. Second is small. Yes. Large. LARGE. Children, there are clues given. Means all opposites of the given adjectives are starting with red color word. So you can find easily here. Children, it's time to revise that adjectives are describing words. They describe the nouns. So students, I hope you all have understood the chapter adjectives. I'll explain you the same chapter in our live class also. Here, exercise A and D you have to do in your notebooks. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.